This is downtown Los Angeles in 2050. The development of technology occupies the main space of the city. This is the City Lung project. In 2050, the technology reduces the farmlands but still ensure the output per capita. The planting area is forced to be integrated with the public building. The history of agriculture is documented inside the farming library. The library, the books are all about planting and it is open to the public. People can get information such as nutrition facts, and planting methods in the library. The newly invented farming robots will be responsible for monitoring the growth of the crops. People can choose what they want, and place orders to be delivered to their homes. The data center provides technology support to the whole library. It controls temperature, humidity and lighting system. It also monitors all the robots working in the farming library.